Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World in the Off-Grid Project. Today, sorry, moving hands with the camera, trying to hold it steady. Today we did a few more sections, 5 to be precise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 sections we did today. Now, oh, the wind. Right now, we're putting reinforcing posts like I did the other day. Sorry, I'm still getting used to this camera. I drove in little T-posts and tied them in at the top with scrap wood on every single of the upright posts because the wind today was insane and it wanted to push that over hard. And the more we get, the more wind resistance there is on it. So I've got a plan for a permanent solution. That's temporary. I've got a plan. Let me turn sideways to this wind. So anyway, I'm saying I have a more permanent solution for this, which I'm going to experiment with tomorrow and see how it works out. So we'll see how it goes. But it's looking good. We're very much pleased with it so far. We're happy. And it's holding up to the wind now that we did it like that. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but the ground sort of moves up and down a bit, and we're just keeping the same distance off the ground all the way around. And so you can see it a little bit wavy, especially in that one spot. It's a little bit wavy, but sort of neat actually. Anyway, that's it. That's what we did today, and that's all I wanted to share with you. Don't want to bore you with the same thing every day, which we did yesterday. So that's it. So we're over halfway done, and tomorrow I'm going to work on the more permanent cross bracing. We'll see what happens. Anyway, for now, that's it today. Talk to you later.